Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be doing tutorial on chapter 7. Okay, so the first question is asking us to state the Newton's law of gravitation. Right, so this is in your notes. So basically it is an attractive force between 2-point masses. So it is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Alright, so mathematically it can be written as F equal to gm1 m2 over r square. Okay, next question, we have to find the gravitational force between the moon and the sun, the moon and the earth, and then the earth and the sun. Okay, so we have the sun, then the moon, then the earth. Okay, so this is the sun, this is the moon, and then this is the earth. Okay, so darang punya direction the distance between sun and earth is r s e equal to 1.496 times 10 to the power of 11 meter, and then we have the moon and earth punya distance, which is equal to this one, turun sikit. So this one is 3 point distance moon and earth equal to 3.84 times 10 to the power of 8 meter. 8 meter. Okay, right, so the distance is given, and then now we can find the gravitational force untuk each question lah. So the first question is asking us to find the gravitational force between the moon and the sun. Okay, so we know that the formula is equal to G. So this is mass for the moon, mass of the sun, divide by the distance between them, the square of distance between them. So RMS square. Okay, so how do we find the value of the distance between the sun and the moon? Is R of the moon, M je lah, sun is equal to 1.496 times 10 to the power of 11 minus 384 times 10 to the power of 8. Okay, macam mana boleh dapat macam tu? Because we are looking at this point here. Okay, so we can calculate this value by subtracting ini dengan yang ini lah. Okay, so we have 6.67 times 10. Sorry about my cat, si Shawnee ni memang bising sikit. Okay, so mass of the moon is, where is it? Why is it not given? Okay, ada di sini. So mass of the moon is 7.35 times 10 to the power of 22. Mass of the sun is 2 times 10 to the power of 30 kilogram over the one yang di atas ni, 1.496 times 10 to the power of 11 minus 3.84 times 10 to the power of 8. So you should get the gravitational force to be equal to 4.4 times 10 to the power of 20. Okay, so 4.4 times 10 to the power of 20 Newton is the gravitational force between the sun and the moon lah. Okay, so next question, it is for the earth and the moon. So I'm just gonna write EM. Okay, so have G, mass of the earth, mass of the moon, divide by the distance, the square of distance between them. Okay, so this is 6.67 times 10 negative 11. Mass of the earth is 6 times 10 to the power of 24. Mass of the moon is 7.35 times 10 to the power of 22. Okay, divide dia dengan the distance between the earth and the moon, which is equal to 3.84 times 10 to the power of 8. So you should get the gravitational force between the earth and the moon to be equal to 1.99 times 10 to the power of 20 Newton lah. Alright? Okay, last question before I let my Shawnee out. Roman 3, which is the gravitational force between the sun and the moon. Okay, so this is G, mass of the sun, mass of the moon, divide by the square of distance between sun and the moon. Square. Oh, I forgot to write square here. Okay, don't forget to include square in your calculation. So this is 6.67, negative 11. Mass of the sun is equal to 2 times 10 to the power of 30. Mass of the moon is 7.35. 1022 divide by the distance between the sun and the moon, which is okay, sorry, this is asking us to find between sun and earth. Yeah, why is my cat all noisy today? Okay, so this is for the earth. Okay, sorry about this. So this is earth square mass of the earth. So mass of the earth berapa tadi? 6 times 10 to the power of 24. Okay, then the distance between the earth and the sun is 1.496 times 10 to the power of 11 square. So you should get the gravitational force to be equal to 3.58 times 10 to the power of 22 Newton. Okay, so that is how you solve for the first tutorial question.